Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of your video in Capcut. So let's get started. So here we are in Capcut, and the first thing that we would need to do is by simply dragging our clip right here into our timeline. So make sure you have your clip right here, and from here, you can click on ratio right here. This is the aspect ratio button, and from here you can see a lot of aspect ratios that you can choose to change your video right here. So for example, if you want the mobile version, or let's say the YouTube Shorts, then it would be this one, 9:16, and it will be like this. And from here you can also adjust your video by clicking on your video right here, and you would see this pop up right here. There's a lot of options, and you can scale it so that it would be like this, or move it however you want right here, and you can also move it around right here, but this is not our topic. We will just be dwelling here. So from here, once you have chosen your desired aspect ratio, then you can just go put other stuff or other videos. So for example, this one right here, let me drag this other one, and you can just drag it right here, this other one. And as you can see, it would be the same for all the clips in your timeline right here. It will be the same aspect ratio, and you can just adjust them however you want. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And you can also set a custom aspect ratio. So when you click here and click on customize right here, you can select right here the ratio you want to customize. You can just put the values right here, whatever you want. And you can also adjust a frame rate right here and the color space if you'd want to. And you can also adjust the name and so on right here. And you can also go for performance if you'd like proxy, but that is irrelevant. So yeah, from here you can see the ratio. You got customize right here. You can do it whatever you want right here. And once you are done, you want to click on save. And just like that, you have now learned how to change your aspect ratio in Capcut. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.